In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Charles Schwab login. Before we begin, an important note. You can only create a login if you already have a Schwab account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to open an account first. The good news is that your login is created during or right after that setup, so the process flows naturally. Let's start with the most common path, creating your login during account opening. As you work through the online application, you'll be prompted to choose a login ID, also known as your username, create a password, and set up security verification. For the username, make sure it's between 6 and 20 characters and includes at least one letter. Pick something you'll remember, but that isn't easy for others to guess. When you create your password, aim for something strong and unique that you don't use anywhere else. You'll also set up verification by receiving a security code through your phone or email, so keep your device handy. Once those pieces are in place, your login is tied to your new account and you're ready to sign in. If you already have a Schwab account but haven't created a login yet, you can set it up as a new user. Go to the Schwab login page and select New User. You'll be asked for your account number and some personal details such as your name and date of birth to confirm your identity. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your account records to avoid delays. Next, create your login ID and your password, following the same username rules of 6 to 20 characters with at least one letter. To complete the setup, you'll verify your identity with a code sent to you. As soon as that code is confirmed, your login becomes active. After your login is created, one set of credentials gives you access to all of your Schwab accounts linked to your profile. You can sign in on the Schwab website or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. For your protection, you may be prompted for two-factor authentication, often a one-time code, especially when you sign in on a new device or after certain changes. This extra step helps secure your account and is a normal part of the experience. That's it. Whether you set up your login during account opening or as a new user afterward, the process is straightforward. Keep your username and password secure and always complete any verification prompts you receive to protect your access. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to create your Charles Schwab login with confidence.